have food on my plate while some go to sleep in hunger. I have a roof above my head while some are left to wander. I can walk with my feet while some can't stand at all. I can see the light of day while others live in the dark. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the life you've given me. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the blessings I can see. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, when I laugh, when I cry. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, every moment of my life. Alhamdulillah, I can drink from clean water while some search miles away. I can sleep without fear while some don't live a day. I have family beside me while some stand all alone. I have words to call your name while some have never known. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the home where I belong. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, for the faith that keeps me strong.